Shandong Huabang Agricultural and Animal Husbandry Machinery Company Limited, founded on 2012, specializes in intelligent farming equipment. We are dedicated to advancing smart farming in world's animal husbandry, reducing pollution, and providing environmentally friendly farming solutions. As an excellent manufacturer of automated poultry cages, our company is committed to providing high-quality, one-stop poultry farming solutions to customers worldwide. We integrate R&D, production, sales, and service, and specialize in producing various types of poultry cages, including broiler cages, egg cages, etc. We also provide a full set of automated breeding equipment, including automatic feeding system, manure removal system, egg collection system, and ventilation and cooling system, heating system, environmental control system, and so on. Our engineering team provides integrated services from site selection and design to construction and installation, while ensuring strict quality control for smooth project execution and equipment operation. We offer customized solutions tailored to each client's needs. With 6 fully automated production lines, 2 large laser cutting machines, 3 injection molding machines, we ensure quick delivery to help customers launch their poultry farming projects without delay. Upholding the principle of innovation and quality, we are committed to continuously upgrading the technology and equipment for poultry farming to meet the needs of different farmers and help them realize more efficient and sustainable productivity. Whether you need efficient equipment or expert support, feel free to contact us for the best solutions.